In this video, I will show you how to clean and prepare shrimp for butterflying. You can see here that I have some white tiger shrimp. It has the shell on and the veins still intact. All I'm doing is I'm trying to keep on the shell that goes right over the tail. That makes for a pretty presentation. So I grab the shell that's by the tail with one hand and I just very carefully am removing the legs and the rest of the shell. Be sure to take your time here. And now the shell is gone. Now what we need to do is we need to go about removing the veins. And so I have a small knife here. This is a tournée knife, but any small paring knife will do. And I'm just going to very carefully run my knife along the back of the shrimp, as well as along like the belly of the shrimp. And so I'm just going pretty shallow here. I'm looking to remove any of the intestinal tract. You can see it a lot better on this one. So I'm going right down the center here. Okay, and you will notice that I have the intestine. And so I'm just very carefully removing that. Okay, you want to pull that out and flip the shrimp upside down. Do the same thing there on the belly. This one is usually white. So I'm taking my knife very gently, just using the tip of the knife and then removing that intestinal tract. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to arrange the shrimp so it's almost upside down. Notice I'm taking my knife and I'm very carefully opening it up so that it will lay flat. Let's do it again. The cool thing about this particular preparation of shrimp is as it bakes, that tail will actually go ahead and curl up. Now I have my crab filling that I've already prepared. I'm using about a tablespoon here. Notice I'm kind of packing it into my tablespoon measure. I'm going to sort of squeeze it together, make a little ball, and then plop it right there on the opening. Let's do it one more time. So about a tablespoon or so. Pack it together so that it stays intact. And then we will put that right there on the opening of the shrimp. And that is how we prepare shrimp for butterflying.